flying high. Tomorrow I'm falling to my knees. While the time goes by, I learn there is more than I can see. Now I hold you tight. Tomorrow sorrow's at my side. By the time we are growing, and there's no need to hide, because life is black and white, light and darkness, joy and pain. If I could turn back time, what would I do again? When I'm looking back, I feel ashamed about all my lacks. I know there's a choice between darkness and light, and the light may shine on my back. The light has to shine on my back. When I'm thinking strange, and what I'm saying causes pain, hold my hand, stay at my side. There'll be another chance to change, a chance to change. If I could turn back time, I can try to live without mistakes, but I will fail. We can try to live without mistakes, but we will fail. If we could turn back time, if we could turn back time, if we could turn back time,